This 5-minute solution will show you how to deactivate Instagram account temporarily. So if you want to deactivate your Instagram account temporarily, just follow these simple steps. Go ahead and launch the Instagram application. Open your profile. Tap on this hamburger menu at the top right. Settings and privacy. Account center. Tap on personal details. Account ownership and control. Tap on deactivation or deletion. Select here your Instagram profile. Select deactivate account and tap on continue. Enter here your Instagram account password. Tap on continue, and that's all. Your Instagram account will be deactivated temporarily. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.